So to start off with the ball cap method, you want to use Got2b gel, the black bottle, to lay down the cap, and you want to use the Got2b spray, the yellow can, to spray on top of the gel. You want to make sure that it's pressed into the skin. Now it usually doesn't look white, but the only reason why it's looking white is because I just finished washing my hair, so I had leave-in conditioner and all these oils on my hair, so that's what made it look a little white, the gel. But you won't see it once you apply the makeup and you dry the cap. So this was my makeup. This was my hair for Miami. So I decided to sew down the back of my cap. I usually never do this. I do this with my clients sometimes if they have like a full lace wig or something like that. But I decided to sew the back of my cap. Mind you, I have plaques in my hair. I do not have a braided down. So it's still flat with the system, even if you have plaques or big braids. Yeah, this is one of my little brothers. Sorry, he was just like so fascinated, and he loves YouTube, so he wanted to be in the camera. But the wig that I'm applying is one of my custom made frontal units. This is a lace frontal 13x4 with 3 bundles of 30-inch deep wave hair. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not my deep wave wig. This is my loose deep wave hair. Yes, so it's just a looser pattern than the regular deep wave. Is a little bit tighter than this. So I'm going in and I'm showing you guys how I'm plucking it on my head. I prefer to do this when I'm installing it on myself. I prefer to pluck it and customize it on my head just so that it's perfectly for me and there's nothing looking too blotchy or too bald. I want this hairline to look so perfect for me, like it's growing out of my scalp, girl. After you finish plucking, you want to go ahead and cut the perimeter around your ears. You do not want to leave any extra lace, and you do not want to pull and tuck any extra lace. You can go ahead and cut it because this is your wig. So this is going to be fitting for you whenever you need it. So make sure you cut any extra lace off and throw that out because you will not need it. So being that I was going to Miami, I wanted to make sure that my wig was like secure, sis. So I went in with the bowl hold glue and I applied, I believe, 4 layers of glue. Yes, 4, because I was going to be in water activities. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you know that I was getting crazy with the water events. So Yes, now I'm laying down my wig. You want to use a comb. You do not want to use your fingers. The comb is going to be your best friend. Please make sure to follow what I do with the comb and scissors just so that you lay your wig right. So now I'm going in and cutting off any extra lace, and you do not want to cut in a straight line, and you want to work in sections. Sections to me are best when you're just learning how to install your own wig. So working in sections are best. So I'm sitting here and I was trying to decide if I wanted baby hairs or what type of look I wanted to do. So I did want baby hairs on my wig just because I love me a baby haired wig. And then I decided that I wanted to do a braid across my head like I saw this girl do on Instagram. But the hair for me was just way too long. It's 30 inches of the loose deep braid. So I decided to cut it, and you're going to see I cut off like, I don't even know. I can't even tell you how many inches I cut, but I cut off enough just so it could hit like a little bit past my butt, but not too far down, because 30 inches on me is long. I'm 5 foot, so that was definitely a long length of hair. I used this hair before for my ponytail, but I only kept the ponytail in for like a day or two, and then I decided to make it into a wig. So now I'm going ahead and I'm going to go style it. Now I'm parting out this back section so that none of the tracks show. You want to always make sure before you even style the front of your lace frontal, you want to part out some hair just to cover up your tracks and make the back look as natural as possible. Remember guys, that being natural, sis, is most important before anything else. Now, I took the clip out, but I had to do this braid 4 times, you guys. Like, you don't understand how frustrated I was at this point. This is why my face is just like this, because it's like, goddamn, it is so hard for you to do a damn braid going across your head on yourself. But I finally got it, and these nails were helping, but I did it. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm braiding it tight so that it doesn't come out. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mousse on the braid just so it stays in place and any flyaways just get tucked away. this is the finished look. I did do my baby hairs off camera, but well, on camera, but I'm going to place that into a different video on how to do your baby hairs yourself. But this is how I did my baby hairs. Now I did want like an extra type of look. Usually I do like a little bit of baby hairs, but today I guess with the whole look I'm doing, I wanted them to be very, very noticeable, and I loved it. I love this look. You can decide to do it with or without baby hairs. You're still gonna get the same look, the same natural look that you got before. As you can see, you guys, my hair is so flat, and remind you, I have plaques in my hair, and this looks like my scalp. So I'm just gonna go in and just touch up a few of my baby hairs. I did, outside of the video, take some baby hairs out. If you see in my Snapchat, it didn't look like so many. Maybe I'll place a photo or something, but yeah, I loved it though. Either way, I did love my baby hairs, and I loved how I did my braid because it looked really natural with the hair going into it. But guys, I hope you like this look, and if you try it, tag me on Instagram at hair by Ashley with 2 underscores. Everything will be in my description box below. You can purchase this hair and a custom unit from me if you just click the link in my bio, or you email me, or you can even DM me on Instagram and you can get your order processed. Thank you guys so much for liking and commenting on my video and subscribing. Make sure you subscribe.